You know, it seems like every tech YouTuber at one point covered these budget, loop over the ear, Bluetooth headphones. And who am I to blame them for it? I myself have covered these on a very recent video of mine, and they were fantastic for the price. But those were the older ones. This right here is the new MPOW Flame Bluetooth headphones. This is their newest upgraded version, and as you guys can see, it's red. This is their Christmas red, which only 3,000 of them will be produced, so this is a limited edition run. But if you're not a fan of this color, they do come in black. So MPOW was kind enough to send us these in for us to go ahead and review, and we also teamed up to go ahead and do a giveaway. That is right, we're going to be giving away the new Flame limited edition red upgraded sport headphones free of charge to 3 lucky subscribers. And to find out more on how you could enter, make sure to stay tuned for the end of this video. So I think it'll be a good idea to go over what changed from the previous generation to this latest one. So some of the big major upgrades from the previous generation is that on these latest ones, they have a battery life that could last up to 10 hours, while on the other one was able to get up to 7 hours under a single charge. Another internal upgrade is the speaker. The speaker actually has been enhanced, and I could definitely say the bass definitely sounds a lot better than it is with the older generation one. So if you enjoy listening to really rich bass songs, this is definitely a headset to definitely consider. Now some other upgrades are the externals. The cable that holds the two headsets together has a new texture pattern, which supposedly this is to help it prevent it from being easily tangled. And I believe they also changed the material of the silicone rubber that they used to use as well. The earpiece feels a lot more softer and also feels definitely a lot more flexible than the previous headset used to feel. And another quick thing to take note, they do still throw in the little clip that allows you to better manage the cable around your neck. Personally, I like using this because this prevents the cable from moving, flapping up and down whenever I'm doing some intense workouts. Other than that, these headphones are still water resistant with a rating of IPX7, which means it can survive water for up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. So splashes, rain, even if you want to go ahead and shower with these things on, who am I to judge? You could do so without damaging the headphones. Now it does charge with micro USB port, which they do proudly provide for us, but unfortunately it's not USB-C, but for a budget headphone like these, this isn't really much of a deal breaker. And when pairing the headphones for the first time, the process could have been any more easier. You literally just turn on the headphone, go on your phone, go in Bluetooth, and just go down to new Bluetooth device, and you should find the MPOWs right away. And once you do that, simply tap and you're connected and you're done. Now range wise, once you have your device connected to the headphones, you're able to get up the range up to 33 feet. I say 30 feet to be on the safe side because objects like bodies and other structures could interfere, so your results may vary, but it is connecting with Bluetooth 4.1, which is still very modern, and during my time of using these headphones, I haven't experienced any random signal loss or cutouts. Heck, even when watching YouTube videos, there's no lag or lip sync issues whatsoever that I notice, so it's on point. So these headphones do have music control. The little MPOW logo, that's the button you use to pause and play your songs. We have volume up and down, and if you hold down, you can turn them off and on, but unfortunately there's no skip track feature. Whenever you double press on the power button, at least for iOS, it will redial to the previous number you called. If I were to change one thing about these headphones, it will be to remap this button to skip track. But since I always carry around a smartwatch, I'm able to control my track on my wrist, so this isn't really much of an issue. So these Bluetooth headphones are integrated with a microphone, just like the previous one. And the sound quality, here, listen to this sound sample. So here's a little audio example. So the quality isn't terrible, nor is it god-awful. It's doable, but I wouldn't really be using this to make phone calls directly off the headset. But what makes MPOW products a bit different from other competitors is MPOW not only provide you with all the generic, common ear tips, but if you're one of the folks that have a hard time finding a perfect fit for you, they also include memory foam. No other company throws this in around this price point. So for the best possible seal, these tips will definitely help block out the ambient noise around. So my overall thoughts with these headphones, after listening with them for quite a while now, a few days, I'm actually still blown away that these things cost under $26. I mean, they outperform what they value at. They sound like they're worth around $80 to be honest. These things definitely blow away the competition. And for $26, what's there to lose? It's a lot better than losing $100 if you buy yourself some Beats. But like I mentioned, there's a chance you could win these for free. As we're gonna go ahead and give out 3 of these to 3 lucky subscribers. So to enter, 1, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, leave a like in this video, and also comment Flamingo because why not? And in the video description down below, there'll be a link that you click on to go ahead and follow MPOW on their social media. Each and every time you do that, you enter a chance to win these headphones. So best of luck, happy holidays, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.